Yo gang, welcome to another brand new motherfucking video. Today I'm going to be testing one of you guys' strategy because in the last video I showed you guys a strategy that I've been, hiding in my back pocket, but finally was able to show it to you guys. So today we're going to test one of your strategies and we're going to see if we can make it work, if it's going to be good, and if it's not, how can we fix it? How can we make it better? Because we're all here to learn. So before we jump right into the video, first of all, I need to plug myself. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also don't forget to join the best Telegram channel when it comes to trading, info, signals, free signals, and a free VIP. All you gotta do is hit me up and I'll let you in. It's absolutely free. What are you waiting for? Hit the description right now and hit me up. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So again, let's get right into the charts. And today I'm testing a strategy that one of you left under my last video, and I really wanted to give this a shot. So this person also uses the 200 EMA. So you go here, you change the EMA, you change your period to 200 or 250. My bad, 200. So you go to styles. I'm gonna make that line just a little bit thicker, nothing more. Save. So, and another thing, according to my subscriber, is that you add yourself an RSI. You do not change the period. You leave the period at 14. And what you're looking at right here is that this is overbought and this is oversold. You're looking for it to cross 50 so you can enter into an upward trend. So this might be a good point to enter into an upward trend according to this strategy. But I don't like the fact that this wick is a little bit too low and the timing is at 30 seconds. But I'm going to just follow it. I'm gonna follow my main strategy. Once you see that crossover 50 and you can see a bullish candle when it's over, when the moving average 200 EMA is, the price is above that, you definitely should enter into a call, follow the trend up and take your profit. It should be just as simple, but I also think that this strategy is very flawed because you're following only indicators. You're not, and there's so much more. There's so much more. There's candle strength, there's patterns. There's so much more that's not in this strategy. As well as I like the idea of using a 200 EMA with an RSI and combining, looking for overbought and oversold conditions. There's so many things that are unpredictable in the markets that happen. For example, even though it seems like right now it's the beginning of an upward trend, it's possible that the sellers at one point just push the price. So we've tried this on OTC and it seems like it's an obvious loss. So what we're going to do next is also try this on a regular pair. So right here, we've seen that the markets are just down. They're absolutely down. We don't see it close. So our decision here is to enter into a put. According to the strategy, you enter into a put once the 200 EMA is below. Even though you could clearly see that this might be the beginning of a bull run, right? We're gonna follow what the strategy says. We're gonna keep our opinions to ourselves, and it looks like it's not doing bad. Looks like it's not doing bad. Now it's 1 for 1. I mean, this looks like an easy one. So let's add a couple of more while we're waiting for that. Let's add a couple more. So this strategy is very, very specific. And another thing that it does is that if all of the conditions are not met. So for example, you have to see that is over 50 and it's over the 200 EMA, and then you enter into a call. That's kind of how it works, right? If you see it below and it's below 50 on the RSI, then you enter into a put. I hope that you understand. So this strategy right now is 1 for 1. We've been able to take profit. We lost one trade. Right now we are on Euro, Canadian dollars, and the sellers are really pushing this candle down, but I think that the buyers might be able to push it. But I doubt it because you don't see any huge bullish candles at all. We see it touch 50, but we don't see it going down. Got 12 seconds left. 7 seconds. So as you can see, 2 for 1 on that. And I still think that we'll double up, because I think that the buyers kind of pushing the price up. I think it was just a problem of timing, and I think that this is something that the person in comment and I asked. Timing is also very important, knowing when to enter your trades. For example, I like to enter trades at the end of the last candle because I'm predicting what the next candle is going to be, and they didn't really have much to say about it, so I'm kind of like just trying to figure out when is the best timing here. So I don't know. I've always had problems with just strategies where it's only indicators that you're looking at. It's great. Indicators can help you, put you in the right direction, and as you can see, we were able to win 1 trade, but now we've lost 3 with a last minute death here. Okay, so before I go on rambling, what would I change? What would I change in this strategy? How can we turn this into something good? I love using the 200 EMA. What I would do is I would remove the RSI and I will add a stochastic oscillator. You know me, I love this. It allows me to see overbought and oversold. I'm not really looking at anything in the middle. So right here, definitely, based on my thoughts, you're entering into a call. You're entering into a call. I might even double, I might even triple on it because of 3 things. What's the first thing we're looking at? Look at the candles beforehand. We can see that even though the buyers have been pushing that price over and over again, the sellers still find a way to push that price below. You can see here that you have a little fight between them after you see what seems to be this is not an engulfing pattern. After that, you see this red candles, and even though that you see that they're pushing the price, when a new candle starts, we're still in the money. You see, and that's the little things that I think that you could add. Switch out the RSI, add a stochastic oscillator, and enter into a trade based on both your ability to see and read the candles, as well as you seeing. So we'll enter the first trade as a win. Now, second trade is another win. So we're able to enter 2 trades. So guys, as you can see for yourself, strategy didn't work out the way we wanted to, but we're able to what? We're able to adapt. And that's the most important thing for a trader. No matter the strategy you're using, you have to be able to adapt to a different situation and, make that work for you regardless of what indicators you have on your screen. That's the most important thing. So thank you guys for joining me in another, trip on my trading journey, and I hope that some of this information is useful for you, and I hope that you're starting to implement things into your trading strategy that will take you to the next level. So thank you for joining me once again. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.